Hello and welcome to my channel, RS Designs. I'm Rhonda, and it's been a while since I've been able to make a video for you guys, so I wanted to pop on today and give you a little bit of an update. A lot has happened in the last year and a half. If you followed my channel, you know that in 2018 my husband was diagnosed with metastatic melanoma, and he did a great job. He fought it for as long as he could, but in January of 23 it metastasized to his brain, and he wasn't able to continue fighting, and he did pass away October 15th of 2023. And if you've had someone close to you pass away, you know that it takes a while to just process that and embrace your grief and be kind to yourself and give yourself permission to just live life as you can at that moment. And then, so suddenly and so shocking to our family, my father passed away November of 2024, which was devastating. He really was the rock of our family, and he is so missed, so incredibly missed. But I think I'm ready now to get back into creating some scrapbook pages and just sharing my passion with you. So stay tuned. So I recently had the opportunity to update my craft room, and I thought I would give you a tour so you can see what I've been doing. I'm standing at the door and I'm walking in, and my room is not large. It's about 10 feet by 11 feet. And behind the door, I have these shelves that I ordered from Amazon, and that's where I store my punches. Some of them, I still have others. And then I keep my Cricut mats on the back of the door. This is a calyx unit that I got from IKEA, and up above that is where I have my television and just some of the pictures and trinkets that make me happy. So this is what I look at when I'm sitting at my desk. And over there you will see is my closet door that is closed. In this top shelf, the top calyx unit, I have paper and collections. I still have quite a few collections from close to my heart, and I'm starting to build my collection of Stampin' Up! Paper and stickers. And then in these white not binders, but holders, I have just paper pads that I bought over the years, and that's where I keep those. All right, so let's walk around and take a look at some of these drawers. Now, this is the 6 unit from IKEA, and I did put the drawers in it. And this one has miscellaneous items like stamp refills and just different things that I don't use often. And then this one holds my embossing powders, and that one has paints and stickers, and this is some more embossing powder. This one just holds some miscellaneous items that I don't use very often. And then this bottom drawer is where I keep my grandkids' crafts for when they come over. All right, this is another calyx, and it's the 6 opening, I don't know if you call those drawers or shelves, 6 shelves. And I didn't choose to put any drawers in those. So I have started my collection of Stampin' Up! Stamps, and those are there. And then this is 8.5 by 11 cardstock. I don't use it very often, but it's really good cardstock, and I want to keep it. And down below is vinyl, and then I have some folders that I can use to make notepads. All right, so we're backing up, and to the right is my desk. And right back there is a bookshelf that I believe I got from Walmart. It's just an inexpensive one that I got and put together. On this top shelf, I have my close to my heart stamps. And on the second shelf are trinkets, embellishments, medals. And that's where I keep my washi tape. And then I have a few close to my heart kits that I can't wait to put together. So I'm going to back up a little bit so you can get a wider view. In this pink tool caddy is where I have my ink brushes, and then that's where I have all the tools that I use often, so I keep those close to me. And there's my desk, And that would be going back out toward the hallway, and you can see my camera there. All right, we're going to turn around here, and there's my desk. And then this pink caddy is one that I probably got at IKEA or Michael's. I'm not sure which. I've had it for quite a while. But this is where I keep my photo mats, photos that I've printed and they're ready to be put in an album. And then I have just some cutting tools, a cutting mat, a few circle cutters, and then on the bottom shelf is where I have my Xyron. I got this desk from IKEA and I actually love it. It has a pull-out drawer that I didn't think to open and show you. A few years ago, I made these little tool holders, and I keep the things that I use most often: my paper cutter, my tape runner, pop dots. I have some hand lotion there, and then my phone holder and my favorite glue gun. I love that thing. I can't remember the name of it right now. Pink pedal something. There's my light, my Cricut light, and then that's my phone holder from when I'm recording videos. And I have this little light here that's real handy. All right, we're going to swing around to the right now. And over on my right-hand side is where I keep my most used cardstock. And then I have some inks there because I like to ink the edges of my paper. And these are the albums that I'm currently working on for my grandchildren. There's the little ink holder. I made that too when I made the tool caddy. So the pink, blue, and black are the albums that I'm working on right now for my grandchildren. And then I have my idea books here. Those were the Close to My Heart, Make It From the Heart idea books. And I have an old-timey paper cutter. It's really old. I don't even know how long I've had it, but I love that thing. And then I have a Tim Holtz paper cutter that's really nice. I'm just now starting to collect some Stampin' Up! Ink pads, and I do have a whole turntable of Close to My Heart. So this is behind my desk, and as I'm scrapbooking, I keep my album that I'm working on right behind me so that when I finish a page, I can just turn around and insert it to the album. I'm currently working chronologically, and I already had some pictures printed, so I like to just keep that back there, and then I can put them in as I go. Over here is my Cricut station. And I have a file folder where I just keep my little scraps, and I have them organized by color. And then if I just need to cut something small, I can just grab that. I have my large Cricut, and then down below on the shelf is my little Cricut Joy. And I have this little container here that has my Cricut tools in it. And I keep that right close to my computer station with my printer, and you can see my big cup there. I live in South Texas, or the Gulf Coast, so it's always hot. Well, not always, but it's hot more often than it's not. So above my desk, the tables that I have, then I have these cabinets that we installed when we first moved into the house, so these are not new. I'll try to link the tables and everything below that I can. This cabinet holds my inks, cards that I've already made that are ready to go. And I copied my friend Erin and put the magnetic sheet on the back of the store so that I can keep my most used die cuts, because my die cut machine is in that cabinet also. And in this cabinet, I keep my sewing supplies. I don't sew as often as I used to, but I'm certainly not willing to get rid of anything yet. So that's where I keep my sewing supplies and my little Epson printer. And this cabinet is not, it has a few things in it, but mostly extra lights, wipies, paint tools, a little bit of quilting supplies, and an empty little drawer there that I could probably find some things to put in it. The cabinet that's closest to my computer, it just has office supplies in it. So this is kind of a look one more time at the whole room, just starting at the door and going around. I love my room. It makes me happy. And I spend quite a lot of time in here. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you soon.